Hey guys, John Avanti here, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about antifreeze. So right there, you're looking at oil. So basically, let's take a look at the antifreeze that I picked out. Okay, guys. So this bottle here is a store brand. You know, you can see AutoZone. This one here is Prestone, and I'm just looking at the ingredients. This is 11 something. This is 10 something, but the ingredients on these two bottles are exactly the same. So now here's Peak, and Peak is $20 a bottle, and they're both 50-50 diluted. So you can look at them, you know, it's 50% water and 50%, you know, antifreeze ingredients, whatever they put in there. So you don't have to mix this. So now here's the Prestone, that's more money. And let's find the ingredients. It's the same. They're all the same. So if I go back to the Prestone brand and you look here, it says water, ethylene glycol, and denotession benzonate, and proprietary corrosion inhibitors. So the ingredients here contains ethylene glycol, water, and proprietary. Okay, so the only thing that it doesn't say in here is this chemical here that's called denatonium benzoate and proprietary corrosion inhibitors. Okay, so that's $20, and these are like $11.29 and $10.49. And these are all 50-50 mix. Now, I don't know if that benzonate proprietary is really worth the extra $8, but if we come over here to the wall, right, this is all the antifreeze. And if you get the brand ones, like this is for Toyota, it's pink and red. That's what Toyota uses. And it says the Lexus, Scion, Toyota, 1990 and up. So for any Toyota. And this is a 50-50 mix. Right, so these are all ready to go. But if you come down here, there's this one here, the Prestone concentrate. So basically, if you buy this, you get 2 for 1 because you just have to add water to it. So let's check out the ingredients on this one. So it's basically the same ingredients as the 50-50 mix, but if you need 2 bottles, you should buy the one that is concentrate, because all you got to do is add water. So you would pour half of it into the car, then you would fill it with water, shake it up, dump that into the car, and then put half water. So that's a 50-50 mix. So if you needed 2 of these and you bought one of those for $14, you could, you know, help save the environment by only buying 1 bottle. Or you can buy 2 50-50 mix. That's $20. That's 20 something dollars. This is $15, and it has the same ingredients as that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk over and see what ingredients are in with the brand ones. Like this one is blue. That's for like Subaru, Audi. Then you have violet for Audi. All these different colors they use, you know, and that's basically for the dealer. That's how they charge you more money. You know, here's an orange Chrysler. All right, so let's take the Toyota one and let's just put it here and see what the ingredients are. Okay, so basically the store brand ones has the benzonate. If you can see that, it has the denatonium benzonate, which that's the big difference. I don't know how much of a difference that denatonium benzonate makes in the product with the if you buy the one that's $20, right? So here's an AutoZone that's $15. Let's see if it has benzonate melatonin. And so much print. Okay, there it is. So ingredients. So this one, that's $15.99, has the this one here. This has the benzonate metatoner, so that's for GM cars trucks requiring Dex Cool, right? Whatever that is. But it's basically it's the same as all of these. That's the benzonate thing. So here's another one for Asian cars. Let's put that. Okay. So all the ones that cost more money has that one ingredient, benzonate. I don't know what that's for. Maybe that's for corrosion, and that's what makes it more expensive. So this one's $13. Let's see if this has benzonate metatonin in it, because then we'll just go with this one. Ingredients. Let's find the ingredients. It gives you the temperatures. This could be a little bit better. Okay, here it is. So this one, the AutoZone brand, right? This one down here is $14. And this has the same ingredients as all the other more expensive ones. Like that, right? So if you get the Xerox, that's for Chrysler, Ford, and diesel, but it doesn't matter because it'll still work. Let's put this over here real quick. Let's see if this has the benzonate with the ingredients. So this has definitely sodium benzonate, yep. So now if you get this one Xerox, which I'm gonna buy the Xerox because it's 20 bucks, so it's like, that's the concentrate. Because the one next to it says 50/50, and the Xerox is not mixed. So I'm gonna need two of those, so it's gonna be $10 a piece. But if I buy the 50/50 one, it's $18. So I'm gonna buy this. Okay, because this is the benzonate. But then again, the AutoZone one is not 50/50, it's $18. But I'm gonna go with the Xerox because supposedly, you know, that's all they make is antifreeze. And who knows where AutoZone buys their antifreeze from. Okay. So now for my Toyota, I could probably get away with this too, because if I open it, let's see if it has a cap on it. Yeah, I can't really look inside, but you know what, I'm gonna cheat. It looks clear. You know, it looks like there's no color. Right, so Toyotas use the colored ones, right? So this has the benzonate, right? Oh, that was $13.99. And let's go over this one more time. Find the ingredients. Oh, there it is. So benzonate, denatonin, and
what did I say? H6?
there it is. Corrosion sodium. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one for the Subaru that we're gonna fix. mixes. So this is clear, basically, I would believe. Let's just let's do a test real quick, because I already opened that. Just pour a little bit. Oh, it's like yellow. All right, so I'm gonna go with this one. Even with for the Toyota that I'm gonna do, and just put this in here, and there you have it. Now, they say antifreeze would last like 2 years, 5 years. I wouldn't trust antifreeze or any product to last that long. What you could do is, one day I'm going to show you in a video, is changing antifreeze like once a year by vacuuming it out, or every other oil change. Just take some out of the reservoir and put fresh in. But antifreeze probably lasts maximum 2 years. You know, 5 years is a long time, because what happens is when antifreeze breaks down, it could just break down. You never know. What'll happen is the consistency, what causes it to boil over, those properties break down. So when those properties that allow the antifreeze to not boil over, if the antifreeze starts to boil over, that's how you blow a head gasket and you start getting leaks. It corrodes your hoses, it damages your whole car. So clean antifreeze is almost as important as having fresh oil, because oil wouldn't really let your car get destroyed, because you could always clean the engine out if there's any little sludge in there or whatever. But antifreeze will make your car's engine have a total collapse. Like you'll have a catastrophe failure, because you'll blow a head gasket or anything like that, which is not good, because that's like a rebuild. So if you wanted to buy any of these antifreeze and you didn't really want to spend a lot of money, I would get the AutoZone concentrate, because you'll get 2 for 1, and it's $14, so that's $7 a bottle. Or you can buy the Xerox, which is $20 a bottle, and you'll get 2 for 1, right? So you'll pay $10 a bottle versus the AutoZone. So basically what I might do is I might just get the Xerox, because it is a brand Valvoline. It's a brand name, but you know, the whole thing is, it doesn't say on the AutoZone bottle. Sometimes it'll tell you like it's a Valvoline product, and Valvoline makes good stuff. You know, like oils and all of these automotive products. You know, you have Prestone. All right, guys. So I'm here at the Home Depot buying distilled water. Now I can go next door to Walmart. It's 79 cents a gallon. This is like 89 cents, but I'm out of here. There's lines in there, and I just don't want to wait. And here I get a military discount, so it's 10% off anyway. So I'm gonna get 4 of these bottles, because 1 gallon makes 2 gallons. So I have 2 bottles, so I need 4 bottles. And if I don't use them, I'll just return them. All right, so basically I bought the distilled water in the Home Depot. It was 98 cents a bottle. So I got 10% off of that. So in Walmart, at the zoo, Walmart, you go to the zoo there, it's 76 cents a bottle. And who knows what that shit is. I mean, Walmart is known selling inferior products. But this is Geyser, so it's a brand name. They sell this regular water. So pretty much I believe this is distilled water. And I did get, like I said, a military discount, so it came out to like $3 something. So it was like $20 for 4 bottles, so it's like $5 a bottle versus buying the premix, right? That's a big difference in price. So just go out if you need antifreeze, buy the undiluted one, go to the Home Depot, get 2 gallons of distilled water, and you're all set. The reason why you need distilled water is because regular tap water or well water, which don't even think about using well water, has a lot of mineral deposits. Especially well water may have like iron in it and all kinds of not chemicals, but like minerals, like heavy minerals, heavy water. You can't use that, because what will happen is, if you have an aluminum block engine, that all those minerals will stick to the engine over time, and it'll leach out of the water in the antifreeze and just destroy your engine. So it may not destroy it, but it may harm it, and it can cause a failure. So you really don't want to use regular tap water or well water. I mean, you can go home and boil it, but they distill it. So basically what they do is all you're buying in this bottle is the steam that's boiled from the water, and all the minerals and all the heavy contaminants that's healthy for the human body because we can process it, but in the cars those minerals stick to the metals in the car because the car can't dispose of them. You know, like your body will use the minerals and then dispose of them. So don't be like all scared that you can't drink tap water or well water. So that's why you have to buy mineral water. Basically all it is you're buying water that has been boiled, and what goes in the bottle is the steam that is free of any heavy things like iron, sulfur, salts, minerals, I mean, all of that stuff. So basically, like these brands up here are 50/50. They're $21 a piece plus tax, and you're just better off buying the Prestone that's not 50/50 mix, or the concentrates that are you're gonna get two bottles for one. All right, well, this is John Avanti. Hope this video was helpful. Peace out, take care, stay tuned for the next video, and make sure you change your antifreeze at least every 2 years, because that is important no matter about the mileage. Especially if you're in hot climates, you need to change it even more. Take care.